Hi, good morning. My name is Pooja. I'm here to discuss second part of this video. First part was technique. To be a good English speaker, you should know the technique. The technique first, you just have to copy or mimic someone. And the second part of this video is pronunciation. Now, do you remember you started speaking English words when you are in the first and second standard, right? Good. But we have to go even back. Because if you want to a good English speaker, you need to start from the basic. You have to start from the alphabets. How to pronounce the alphabets. So starting from the basic, I'll teach you how to pronounce each letter. Now, as I told you, we have to start from the alphabets. There is a difference between alphabets and letters. Alphabets are A to Z, and the letters are A, B, C, D till Z. So the alphabet means the combination of this character is our alphabets, and individual character is the letter. Students, do you know how many alphabets are there? Yes, there are 26 alphabets. If parents are watching this video, you make sure that if you are teaching the alphabets or pronunciation of the alphabets, you're following the steps so that they will understand more easily and in a better way. For example, A. Alphabet A, the pronunciation should be A. So when you're teaching, you have to make sure that you're teaching like A, apple. A, apple. B, ball. Ball. Now let's start. Here I'll teach you how to pronounce each alphabet. Okay? Here, see. A should be pronounced as a apple. B should be pronounced as a b. C should be pronounced as a k. D, d, e, a, f, f, g, g, h, h, I, a, j, z, k, k, l, l, m, m, n, n, o, p, p, q, qu. This should be pronounced as a qu. R, r, s, s, t, t, u, v, w, w, w. It should be pronounced as a v. X, x, y, z or z as z. Now let's start. Here I'll pronounce each and every letter. You have to make sure that you are paying attention and you are trying to pronounce as the same way. A, a, B, 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 C, k, D, d, E, a, F, f, G, g, H, h, I, E, J, Z, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, W, 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 X, X, Y, Z, Z. So, while practicing, we have to practice like this. Listen carefully. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, daddy. E, E A elbow. F fun. G good. H happy. Here you can add your own words with starting with these letters, and you can pronounce these letters with those words. For example, here Q, quack, queen. R, rat. So you can take any word starting with this letter and practice this sound with the given sound, and make sure you're following this trick regularly. So after that only you will be good English speaker. Thank you.